The history of Asiatic lilies runs deep. Painted flowers of the Asiatic lily were found adorning the walls in ancient Egyptian pyramids. Chinese paintings with the lily found their way into the power circles of Louis XIV. Asiatic lilies are often used to symbolize purity, pride, and flirting. The Asiatic lily makes a perfect plant for the landscape design. One of the hardiest and most popular type of lilies grown, this true lily, when planted correctly, produces long-lasting flowers. Everyone is always fascinated at the lily flowers. The large blooms of the lily make a bouquet or any flower arrangement unique and elegant. One of the most popular varieties of the lily is the Asiatic lily. Asiatic lilies are the shortest lily. It is only about 2 to 3 feet tall compared to 4-foot height of other varieties of lilies. However, some hybrid Asiatic lilies can grow as tall as 5 feet or higher. Plant bulbs in early spring or fall before frost. Always make sure to grow in well-drained, fertile soil. Adding organic matter to clay soil will help create improved soil drainage. Place bulbs 12 to 18 inches apart, 4 to 6 inches deep, in full or part sun. Established bulbs do not need winter protection as long as the area has adequate snow cover. If mulch is going to be used, mulch in November when the ground begins to freeze. Companion plants for the Asiatic lily include wormwood, coneflowers, sages, salvias, other lilies, Shasta daisy, black-eyed Susan, sweet peas, and snapdragons. For cut flowers, leave at least 1/3 of the stem on the plant. Break the stem rather than using a cutting tool, as this may pass viral diseases from one plant to the next. In the Middle Ages, ground lily balls mixed with honey were used for medicinal purposes to heal infections, treat snake bites, and to combat baldness and wrinkles.